and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful hollow butterfly set with Astound Beauty PolyGel. The color that I'm going to use is white and clear. I'm going to put the product link below, please check it out. Now let's get started. The first step is always preparation. I see a lot of you facing the popping and lifting issue. It's definitely annoying. Especially you spend like hours to finish your nail design and then it's easily pop off. Most of the case, it's not the product issue, it's the preparation issue. You need to clean your cuticle area and then roughen up the surface of your nail bed. And if you're oily skin, definitely use dehydrator and primer. If you've done all of the steps correctly, your nails will last longer. Now I'm gonna apply my base coat and cure under my LED lamp for 1 minute. After curing, your base coat will still leave a sticky layer. That's normal. You can always clean it up with rubbing alcohol if you don't like it, or you can just leave it there. Honestly, I don't see much difference. Now I'm squeezing a little bit Dazzle color Astound Beauty PolyGel on my pinky dew form. Then use your PolyGel brush, dip into slip solution or base coat. That's my newly found method and it's working great. Gently press down the dew form on your nail. You can either use your finger to hold it in place or use this kind of clip. Then flip over, use your brush to flat off the underside. Of course, always remember to clean the set wall and the cuticle area if needed. Then give it a flash cure for like 15 seconds to hold the PolyGel in place. Because the PolyGel is soft, I don't want to wait until I finish the whole hand then cure them all together. So I give it a flash cure and at the last I'm gonna give it a fully cure for 2 minutes. I just cut the edge of my dew form a little bit to make it suit my cuticle area better. Now I'm gonna squeeze in a little bit white color Astound Beauty PolyGel and use my brush to create a diagonal line on the dew form because I want to create a side French tip on my ring finger. I'm gonna try my best to flat off the underside, but if it's still not that even, it's still okay because I'm gonna use my e-file to file it down afterwards. On my middle finger, I want to create a pure white nail with some crystal on it, so it's gonna be very easy compared to other nails. On my index finger, I want to create this white and glitter ombre. I showed you before in my first video how to encapsulate the little butterfly flakes in clear PolyGel. But today I was thinking if I can simply use a gel top coat to encapsulate those little butterflies. So I'm gonna use this little holographic butterflies, which I really like. So my first try, I apply the top coat to cover my whole dew form. And then I lay 4 butterflies on the dew form and cure with my LED lamp. The result was not good at all. You see the giant air bubble? That's a failure. I'm gonna try again. So this time, I just put 4 drops of the top coat on my dew form. And then I very carefully put 1 butterfly on each drop of the top coat. And then I use the pointy side of my cuticle pusher to push the butterfly inside of the top coat. I spent a long time to adjust the position and try to remove any air bubble. The result was okay, but it's really taking a long time. So I don't think next time I'm gonna use this method anymore. Now I'm gonna squeeze a Dazzle color Astound Beauty PolyGel on the very tip side of my dough form. I'm not gonna squeeze too much because I'm gonna do an ombre on this nail, so I only need this color to cover the tip. I'm taking my nail brush to gently tap the PolyGel in place and blend in on the nail bed area. And I'm gonna cure it under my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Because it's a clear color and it's a very small amount, so you don't need to cure too much time. I think it looks good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some white color PolyGel on the nail bed side of the dough form. Then use the PolyGel brush to blend it into the glitter. I think that's too much white. I'm gonna take my spatula to take some of the white off. Flat off the underside of my nail. And also clean the excess PolyGel around my cuticle area. Now give it a fully cure for 1 minute on both sides. On my thumb, I want to create a triangle French tip design. So I'm going to use the PolyGel to create a little stiletto shape on my dough form and use that part to cover my nail bed. Well, halfway there, looks cute. Now I'm gonna take off the dough forms and let's see how they actually look. Okay, I've done the shaping for my thumb. And now I'm gonna create the French tip part. I'm gonna use this little clip to hold my dough form in place. The good thing is we have this little measure line on our dough forms, so it's easier for me to know where should I put the decorations. Here, when I shoot my video, I still use the top coat on my dough form. It's a bad idea. It took me a long time to put all of the butterflies on the right position, and it's easily to get air bubble. Use base coat, base coat, base coat. I just want to repeat it again and again. It's a lifesaver. I will show you this technique in my next video. But anyway, I still get it work even though it's top coat. Let's move on to the next step. Now I just clip on my dough form and squeeze a little bit Dazzle color Astound Beauty PolyGel on the very tip of my dough form. Use my brush to tap them in place to fully cover the butterfly, and be careful on the side walls because you want to make sure the tip part stick to the nail bed part really good. Otherwise, it will cause some maybe cracking later. Okay, cure it for 1 minute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the dough form and let's see how it looks. Woo, shiny! Now I'm gonna go ahead and work on my last finger, the ring finger. This one I'm gonna create this side French tip, so let me just file it to create a very straight line. Again, I clip on my dough form, squeeze some Dazzle PolyGel, and encapsulate the butterfly in it. Yay! This is the result after shaping the fabric. And I still want some extra, so I get out my golden foil and some rhinestones because I love bling bling nails. Cute, isn't it? And then I'm gonna put some golden foil on my ring finger. And also some blings on my thumb too. Then apply my top coat. This set is done. This is the final look, and I really love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please hit the like button below and subscribe our channel. We have new content almost every day. Thank you for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving. I will see you next time.